Hey Country, you wanna make another video today?
Let's do it.
The other side of the safety thing is I'm not gonna get hurt so another man can make a profit. You know, if you're on the clock and you're working for somebody else, you get hurt on the clock, just so that guy could make money. You know, that. Come on guys, let's go do this in real time. Show you what we're working with here. We originally squared this up right here. You see how the reveal gets smaller? So we're making a trapezoid, not a cube. So this actually needs to go that way some more. So we'll find that out by placing our tubes in here on this other side, and that'll tell us where this plate's supposed to end up. But we tacked this one up high, and now we need to tack it down there, cut these loose, and then push this that way at the correct angle so it sits flat as well. Go for it. Oh, wait a sec, Country. No, we set it by this bottom edge is perfect right now. So why don't you tack that first and then cut this loose, and we won't have to lay it out again. Yeah, you need to stand where I'm at. Then you can throw the sparks down. All right, so check this out, guys. We're trying to find the angle. So all we're gonna do is match the bottom. So we got 2 7/8 reveal down here. We're gonna push this 2 7/8 of reveal right here, and then Country go nail it. Yeah, buddy. All right, so stand on the other side. Nail it, buddy. You want to start in this tack and then work your way that direction so this corner doesn't get blown out. And then this is just a heat shield, so this gap, really not that worried about. I'm more worried about it bowing. So I just want this, I'll help you fit this up right now. We'll just make sure this seam is the same all the way up and down, and that'll make sure this isn't wowed out. And then we can get like 3 tacks in here, and that'll help hold it straight. You guys see this rust right here? This is actually not a rust. This is like maybe a surface rust on top. So right here's a good spot where you just kind of have to chill out and just keep re-wetting this thing with just plain old water. If you get the acid involved again, it'll start stripping the finish that we have started here. So this is where you need to kind of let it develop. I usually let this go for somewhere between 2 and 3 days. Once I get it here, and throughout the day I just walk back out here and shoot it with a fresh layer of water. You know, anywhere between 4 and 6 times a day. It's kind of the idea. And this will start going from this really light surface rust to a nice deep pitted rust, because we've etched everything really well with all that acid that we started with. This is where we're at with the finish. It's not actually going to stay like this. This is a little more gold than it'll really be, but as it sits on their deck, it's not going to look new anymore, and it'll slowly get more chocolatey brown over time. And we really just did this with muriatic acid, sulfuric acid, water, heat, and Japanese brown patina. Yeah, you catch all that?